It really buckled it. It was a 10,000 acre fire. Didn't just impact us, it headed down the road too. So it's taught me there's a lot of great people in this world. People came up out of nowhere and helped us, and it was heartwarming. It was just heartwarming.
Damien always will be a godsend. We kind of decided, it's like, how do you explain him? I explain him as a bulldog, because he came in, took care of things, knew that we needed to get in this house, knew that we needed to do it legally, and he was on top of the game. Any questions we had, answered. There was no games. There was no, oh, let me get back to you in 2 weeks later, you hear something.
And it wasn't just Damien. You'd send Damien or Kate or Sadie or whoever a text, and you'd get one back. I'm in a meeting, I'll get right back to you. Perfect. That's what other people weren't doing.
It was simply amazing, and no hesitation, just great experience, good communication.
And you could feel a vibe in that building, not just to customers. You could feel it between the employees. Every one of the subs was amazing. Went out of the way, wanted to make sure it was done right. If there was a problem, it got fixed right away and got addressed. Really amazing.
Just knowing that always somebody up here building our home, taking care of us, because we had the schedule that we could see everything that's going to be coming along, it gave us a huge peace of mind.
It's not like we were building our dream home. We were replacing the home we had, and that's a whole different experience. We're not being paid by Lexar. The tears of joy for that includes things Lexar did for us. Lexar has been that amazing. And I'm not just saying that to say it.
A godsend. Seriously.